So today we're going to go over some more functional exercises, and that's the type of exercise you want to do when it comes to lifting and carrying boxes. Isolated physiotherapy exercises aren't going to be as meaningful. So for example, if you say build up with clamshells or something, one muscle in your butt, it's not going to contribute to a compound movement in a meaningful way. So it's best to do compound movements. So the first one I would recommend, we'll pretend this, I think a kettlebell is a good way to approach this. This is one example. You can use a dumbbell or a sandbag with enough sand in it to give the amount of resistance you want. But we'll just pretend this is a box. You can get down into a squat position and then back up. And you just do as many repetitions as you want until you get fatigued. You don't want to fail out, and there shouldn't be any pain. Then you can kind of take it a step further and do a curl at the top. This is kind of what you do with the box. Okay, you can do a certain amount of those until you're tired. You can do just this piece where you're just working on the biceps piece. You're not going to be doing that as much with the box, but it's still useful. And then it's good to work on carrying the kettlebell or dumbbell or whatever, because you're going to be carrying boxes. And this is good functional exercise for that. Another one you can consider, farmer's carry is useful, like if you're lifting Christmas bags or ornament bags, maybe even Christmas tree bags. So just one-handed carrying is quite useful. Take a sustainable weight, something that's not uncomfortable but yet challenging. And those are some of the more functional, useful exercises to keep you fit while you're lifting and carrying boxes and bags for the Christmas season.